Hey everybody, Mr. Antonucci here, and in this video, we're diving into the 2025 AP Stats free response questions. Whether you've already taken the test and want to see how you did, or you're prepping for next year, this walkthrough is for you. We're going to talk through some of the key concepts, some strategies, some common mistakes, and most importantly, solve the problem for you. Okay, question one gives us a classic box plot comparison, gas mileage for cars from country A versus country B. In part A, you have to compare the distribution. This means discussing shape, center, spread using comparative language such as greater than, less than, and not just listing the statistics. So here's what we would write for the answer to part A. Compare the distributions of gas mileage for the sample of cars manufactured in country A and the sample of cars manufactured in country B. So here's what we'd say. The distribution of gas mileage for the sample of cars manufactured in country A looks to be skewed right, and the distribution for country B being more symmetric. The median of the distribution for country A is 18 miles per gallon, while the median for country B is greater than that at 32 miles per gallon. The interquartile range for A is 8 miles per gallon, while the interquartile range for B is greater at 18 miles per gallon. Country A has one outlier at 38 miles per gallon, and country B has none. Let's look at part B. For the distribution of gas mileage for the sample of cars manufactured in country A, would you expect the mean to be greater than 18, less than, or equal to 18? Justify your answer. So this is a conceptual question, no calculations. So here's what we would get. I would expect the mean for country A's distribution to be greater than 18 miles per gallon, since the median is 18 miles per gallon and the distribution is skewed to the right with an upper outlier. The mean is not resistant to outliers and is greater than the median for data that is skewed to the right. Therefore, I expect the mean to be greater than 18 miles per gallon. Part C, the manager will create a new box plot with the combined data from the sample of cars manufactured in country A and the sample of cars manufactured in country B. What is the range of the combined data set? Justify your answer. So with justification, the maximum of the combined data set would be 40 miles per gallon for country B, and the minimum of the combined data set would be 14 miles per gallon from country A. Therefore, the range of the combined data would be 40 minus 14, or 26 miles per gallon. Second part of problem C, what is a possible value of the median of the combined data set? Justify your answer by referencing the box plots shown. So if we look at the box plots here, we have country A and B. If you notice, country A, Q3, is at 24. So about 75 of the 100 values are less than or equal to 24. For country B, 24 is at Q1, which means about 25 of the values are less than or equal to 24. So for the combined data set, that would mean about 100 of the values are less than or equal to 24, which is half of the 200 combined values. So 24 miles per gallon is a good estimate for the median of the combined data sets. So here we have the answer written out for you. Now, overall, the 2025 FRQs hit all the big ideas: comparing distributions, experimental design, probability, inference, and communication. So let me know in the comments which question you found the toughest or the most interesting. And make sure you hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any more videos that I'm putting out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.